Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying clear line of sight and measuring the distance so you know the required antenna gain. Once done, update router firmware and pick a less crowded channel to reduce interference. Install or point a directional antenna toward the target. Higher elevation improves Fresnel zone clearance, so place antennas on poles or roofs. Make sure antennas are securely mounted and powered, and note signal strength on a phone or laptop as a baseline before moving to the next steps. Now you configure the directional link and device roles. Mount the selected high-gain antenna and connect it with low-loss coax or PoE injector, keeping cable runs short to preserve SNR. Configure the access point and remote unit in bridge or client mode so they pass traffic transparently. Set a fixed channel width to stabilize throughput. Calibrate transmit power. Too high causes distortion. Too low reduces range. Then aim the antenna precisely while watching RSSI and throughput metrics until you achieve a stable handshake. Finish by locking mounts and weatherproofing all RF connectors so alignment stays consistent over time. Once connected, run speed and latency tests during peak usage to confirm performance. If needed, tweak antenna azimuth and elevation in small increments while monitoring RSSI and packet loss. If the link drops or throughput is low, inspect Fresnel zone obstructions, swap to a shorter or lower loss cable, and try narrower channel widths to combat interference. One key tip:
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.